Hello guys, welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Julia tutorial, uh, we will be learning that how to define any mathematical function uh, using two different methods. So basically, function implies that you define any your mathematical operation, and it can return just by passing its parameter. So let's use method 1 to define a function. Okay, so for that you need to type here function. So function, and then you give say your f, or you can give any function. Say I want to add two number, so I write x and y. Okay, then I will define that expression, say x plus y, and then I will return end. Okay, so this is a one method to define a function. Now run it. So it has executed successfully. Now suppose I want to pass parameters, say add 2 3, then see, so it's giving 5, means our function has been defined successfully. You can change the numbers, say 10 3 123, so it's 123. So it is one method to define the function. Now come to the second method. So it's second method is it's very easy, so you can call it x plus y. Okay, and now run it. So it has done the job successfully. Now pass your argument. So add 2 3, run it. So it's giving 5 120, and then 3, so it's giving 123. So both methods are used to define functions in the Julia. So I hope you got the idea that how to define function in Julia. So you can give any expression here, not you can just give any expression, say just call it f, and here f. So you want to multiply it, so if you run it, it will give different value. You can divide it,